Hi, my name is Melissa, and my husband Walt and I have recently begun using the Goodtimer with our daughter Taylor, who's 10, and our son Brady, who's 7. We like to think that we have really good kids, and generally speaking, we can't complain, but our kids are kids, and they disrespect us at times and don't listen, and they love to tease each other and fight with each other. My husband complains that I'm constantly yelling at our kids, and I have to admit that there are some days that are emotionally trying. The Good Timer has definitely helped with that dynamic. I asked my kids today what they like most about the Good Timer, and first they said they really like that once they earn a token, it can't be taken away. And secondly, they really liked that they can create their own rewards list. That latter piece has been really important. Both of our children, instead of turning their tokens in for the easier to earn, lower value rewards, are saving up their tokens so that they can eventually redeem them for the daddy son and mommy daughter activities that they have decided that they want to work towards. And admittedly, my husband and I really want them to earn enough tokens too, because we're going to be pretty excited to experience these activities with them.